Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Listen, if you've ever opened ArchiCAD and thought, where do I even start? Maybe you know the tools, but turning a blank workspace into a complete house still feels overwhelming. That's exactly why we made this series. In this step-by-step ArchiCAD series, we're taking you through the full process of modeling a house from scratch, starting with the basics, obviously, all the way to the finishing details. No confusing shortcuts, no skip steps, just clean, practical workflow you can actually follow. But you can also check our playlist if you want a shortcut. We'll start by setting up the project and creating the floor plan foundation. Then we'll move into modeling walls and slabs. Then we're going to move on to organizing views and layouts and adding the details that make your model feel complete. Whether you're a beginner learning ArchiCAD for the first time or someone looking to improve your workflow, this series is designed to help you model faster, cleaner, and with more confidence.
Right. Quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. All right, back to the video.
By the end of the series, you won't just know where the tools are, you'll understand how to actually build a full residential project from start to finish, one step at a time, one tool at a time, one complete home. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the next episode, and let us know in the comments what part of ArchiCAD do you struggle with the most, so we can make a video on that next time. See you on the next.